My name is Yuliya. I was born and raised in a closed country in Central Asia. In November 2001, an aircraft filled with thousands of Operation Christmas Child shoebox gifts landed in my country, and that was the year when I received my shoebox. Coming from a closed country where the gospel wasn't allowed to be shared openly, the shoebox and its contents were a personal expression of God's love to me. My absolute favorite item was a stuffed animal dog that I still have today. But not until years later, when I became a Christian, did I realize that the most important item in the shoebox was the letter from the girl who packed it for me. The reason I say that is because she ended that letter with one simple sentence: "I am praying for you." It planted the seeds and stirred my curiosity in who the Lord is and why someone who has never met me all the way across the ocean in a different part of the world decided to not only bless me with all those wonderful items, but also to bless me with their prayers. The shoeboxes that you pack really do have an eternal impact on the children who receive them all over the world. They bring hope, they bring love, and they fill their hearts with joy, the joy that only Jesus can give. Thank you for packing shoeboxes and making stories like mine possible.